How to manage Facebook page roles. Head over here to your menu and then switch to the page that you want to actually manage. Once you have switched to your page, you can click on the three lines right around here, then click on this gear icon, and then click on the switch settings and then search in here for access. So let's search in here for that. We see right here our page access. Once you're done with that, you can see in here this. So your Facebook access right here, you can manage it by adding in here some roles. So for example, we can click on the three dots right here, click on this view access, and you can see this person has full control for your content, messages, and calls. So if you want to add someone that has lesser roles, you can click on this people with task access, click on next, and then add that person. For example, let's add a person right here. And then once they've been added, you can enable in here wherein they will have access right here. For example, content. Now click on this give access option right here in order to give access to that person, and then just enter in here your will path. So that's how you manage Facebook page roles. Hope we helped.